before disaster. A four-course meal of no siree. It seemed that happily ever after. Was happy everyone was after me. It was a cup of good intentions. A tablespoon of one big mess. A dash of overreaction. And I assume you know the rest. One little slip. One little slip. Confusion with a few confounding things. I guess I probably took the wrong direction. Well, I admit I might have missed a sign or two. I took a right turn at confusion. I left when I should have gone straight on through. I ran ahead with my assumptions. We all know what that can do. One little slip. One little slip. It was a fusion of confusion and a few.
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Dr. Rummick, Mr. Hammond ate fish, and Randy said there are 5 more cases, and they all had fish too.
Yeah, the co-pilot had fish. What did the navigator have?
He had fish.
All right. Now we know what we're up against. Every passenger in this plane who had fish for dinner will become violently ill in the next half hour.
Just how serious is it, Doctor?
Extremely serious. Starts with a slight fever, dryness of the throat. As the virus penetrates the red blood cells, the victim becomes dizzy. Begins to experience an itching, a rash. From there, the poison goes to work on the central nervous system, causing severe muscle spasms, followed by the inevitable drooling. At this point, the entire digestive system collapses, accompanied by uncontrollable flatulence, until finally the poor bastard is reduced to a quivering, wasted piece of jelly.